So, do you need a little balance and refreshment in your day? Then let's make this Fresh Escape roll-on. It's going to be your new go-to for an uplifting and calming boost wherever you go. I discovered this roll-on recipe because I wanted a natural way to feel balanced and energized all day long. And with timber, which is one of my favorites, bergamot, citronella, this blend is perfect for boosting your mood and keeping you calm, no matter where life takes you. Okay, so let's get started. This is so easy to make. You need a 10 ml amber glass bottle. Now, I recommend this tool, not required, but it does make it easier. This is not required, but I am messy, so I like to use it. 3 drops timber, and like I said, I really like this scent. 2 drops bergamot. 1 drop citronella. You want to fill the rest of the bottle with fractionated coconut oil. You don't need to measure it out. And for those of my messy friends, this is key. Need to put the cap back on. Mix it up. Smells great. Apply. Enjoy. No cap, and you will have a mess wherever you're applying it. These oils work together to create a grounding, uplifting, and refreshing blend. Don't forget to label your creation. Just like so. So now it's your turn. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box today. Get everything you need to make this Fresh Escape roll-on, plus tons of other amazing DIY wellness products. So don't forget to share your creations with hashtag I made this for a chance to win $100, yes, $100 Simply Earth gift card. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.